something strange. She said she liked my slim physique. Oh my lord, it's a simulator! Ah! Holy cow! For the love of...
I am Neptron, keeper of the Neptune.
See? He calls it that too. Not now.
You have trespassed on our sacred soil and must be eliminated.
Well, if that's the case, why bother with all the sending us back home mumbo jumbo?
To confuse you. You thwarted my earlier attempts. You are much smarter than I anticipated.
Oh, I don't know about that. Have you ever confused lunch with launch? Shh!
My orders are to eliminate any threat to this planet and beyond. I am ordered to eliminate you, and then your home planet, Earth.
What? Why Earth?
Your fellow Earthlings may come to look for you.
Not bloody likely. Hey, have you ever met Sarah Silverman? She is so funny. Bernie!
Please enjoy this last meal before we prepare to destroy.
Holy cow! A full Thanksgiving dinner! Boy, that is some spread. Well, I mean, if tonight's our last night. Bernie, get a grip. We've got to save our planet. What's that now? Oh, well, I am stuffed. Me too. Come on, let's go save the planet. Oh yes, let's.